yeah. I love playing Minecraft. Yeah, this game is fun. Oh yeah. Alright. So, I'm gonna build me a house. I don't know where I'm gonna build my house. So many places to go and see. Yeah, go this way. I'm gonna build me a nice greenhouse. Right here in this spot. Right here. So, it's gonna be a nice... How about we make a tiny house? Make the smallest house in the world. How about that? It'll be this big. Oh, it's raining! No! It's raining! Alright. Uh. 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 There. I'm not done yet, though. Uh. 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 We're almost done. Hang on. Uh. 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 There. World's smallest house. Hang on. We need a torch. We need a torch. Right here. This one right here. Alright. Torch so we can see inside. Oh, I forgot the floors. Dang it, forgot the floors. Hang on. I can't mine this stupid torch. Finally, I did. Whoa, what the heck? Alright, just like that. Oh, whoa, I can't see anything. There. I'm in the world's smallest house. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, now, I need to think of what to build now. What should I build now? I don't know what to build. I need to think. Alright. Sharp Puppet. What? I need you to stop playing video games for right now. What? Why? Because you need to take a break. You've been playing for like, 3 hours. What? 3 hours? Have I really been playing that long? Yes. You've been playing that long. Can I play for another hour? No. I told you get off. Get off means get off. How about you go do some chores? What? Do some chores? I'm kind of old for chores. I'm grown. Well, too bad. I should have never lived here in the first place. Well, I called you to come live over here for a little bit. So too bad. Go do your chores. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Shut up. Stop. Okay. I'll stop. I'll just keep playing. Hey, no. You know, no. Stop. Oh. Start there. I'm gonna be right back. Alright. Open that and open that. Open. Alright, nice. I'm gonna kick Sharp Puppet out of my house since he's being so mean. Alright, he's knocked out though. Alright, I'm gonna kick him out. Hey, what are you doing to me? What? I thought you were knocked out. No. Hey, what are you doing? Don't throw me, please. Well, too bad. Ow. I think I just broke something. He threw me out. He threw me out of the house. You jerk. Ow. You jerk. I'm gonna climb back up. I'm gonna go climb back up. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. I'm in. Yeah, I'm playing me some Minecraft now. Hey! Whoa! How'd you get back up here? I climbed. Now, why you playing my Minecraft game? Why you playing on my world? You're playing on my world. You're in my, say, my house. My tiny house. Yeah, I'm playing it. That's it. Wait, no. I'm kicking you out now. Say goodbye, friend. No, please. Well, that's the last of it. Close it, shut it. Alright, there. All the doors and windows are locked. You not see him right there? You see him right there? I can barely see him down there. Barely. Well, alright, I'm gonna play me some Minecraft now. Goodbye. I'm gonna play me some Minecraft.